Hi guys, Dave here from Waldor Orchids, and we are just about ready to open. It's Thursday. We're going to be open tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock. This Friday, Saturday is Thursday. Today?
Yes.
Thursday? Okay. Friday, Saturday is 5th and 6th of September. Here at our shop in Linwood, we have Phillip and Liz Hamilton, all the way from Eustis, Florida, here to sell you some beautiful, beautiful Phalaenopsis and also Cattleyas. Phillip, what would you like to say about your plants, buddy?
We brought up a mix of all sorts of different things for you guys. We didn't bring a ton of any one thing. So we have anything from novelty Phalaenopsis. So we have some of my F2 breeding on the Phalaenopsis hieroglyphicas here.
And this is not just hieroglyphica, though. This is breeding from...
So these are out of, this is a second generation breeding out of Veekley, which has an FCC. And so Veekley is an old clone. A lot of even the first generation out of those are really nice. And we've gotten a few awards in those. So the mother plants of these are awarded, and then the F2s are showing even more promise with more intense color and better form. Yeah, and awesome. Lots of spikes. I mean, look at plants in a 3-inch pot. It's got four or five spikes already.
Yeah, it's beautiful, beautiful.
So we also have, in terms of the novelty files, we also brought some different things. So I have this cerulescent form of Violacea that we selfed. Very few seeds, so we've selfed it like 4 times, only got like 10 to 12 seed each time.
Jeez.
So this is the very first time that we're ever releasing these. So we have those here for you.
Awesome, man.
And then we have some Samiras, but wild type. So this is Delicata type Violacea times Delicata type Bellino. This is a new release. We have those here also. And then in the we have other novelty file stuff, but outside of that, we have some pretty cool species. So like this is Epidendrum Ramira castaneda. It's in that Epidendrum diffusum family. This is a selfing off my mother plant here.
It doesn't look like it's going to get enormous. It's going to stay kind of compact?
Very compact. So this is in a 6-inch pot.
Oh,
got a CCM at that size.
Wow.
And that's a CCM photo there. Also has a CHM.
And you're okay with that just being a regular green flower? It's okay?
I love it. My wife doesn't like it, but I'm a weird orchid guy, so I like it. And I think we've got several of these on pre-order, so yeah, it seems
really
like
cool
people
plant.
like that.
Yeah, that'll be exciting.
And then another brand new item here is we have several Browtonia sanguinea color forms here. We have the regular red. We have some pink, some very good formed pinks. And then very first release of some peaches. So this is a sibling of 2 different peach colors. So that's the peach color form, which is very, very rare. Only one plant's ever been found in the wild of that.
Jeez.
So very, very rare. This is like 3rd or 4th generation peach breeding out of a line my dad started.
And if you can't tell, from Jamaica too, so we actually have real Jamaican plants here too, which is pretty awesome. And you don't have just sanguinea, you have a couple other species too?
Yeah, we have Browtonia lindeni. I'm going to hide the price on the cubensis.
Yeah.
If you know cubensis, you know that you can't find these anywhere. So they are tiny plants. Those are flowering size plants. They are going to be expensive, but we do have them. You'll never find them anywhere else. And then we do have some Browtonia lindeni also.
Cool.
So lots of different things. We have negrilensis also. So.
Negrilensis, I like how you're just passing by. Yeah, negrilensis, it's fantastic. Huge flowers. I'm probably going to steal all these right away, so you get here early. These are granulosus. The plants are just beautiful. So yeah, lots of great stuff here.
That's my dad's breeding there.
But you guys have some really cool product. We're happy to have you guys. I love people that are bringing like their own material, and you guys actually grow your own material. So it's freaking awesome. Love to have it here. You guys got some great stuff. We're open tomorrow. So now Phillip is going to be speaking tomorrow, which is Friday the 5th, 12:30. So if you want to hear him speak, come here tomorrow. And you're going to be speaking on what again?
Novelty files.
Novelty files. And how many generations are you in on novelty file breeding?
I mean, it depends on what we're talking about, but on like on the hieroglyphicas, we're F2 on those. We've got some F1, F2s on Violaceas. I mean, we've started breeding fairly recently of those, but you know, that's F2 breeding is still 10, 12 years along.
And that's pretty exciting too, because you're talking about developing your own lines that are only available here at Bredren Orchids. You guys are awesome. Love seeing you at shows. great, friendly people. These people, I remember I was at Tamiami Show one time eating dinner by myself. I saw Phillip and Liz and their family a couple tables over. I'm like, heck with this. Just go and have dinner with them. They're that kind of people. So if you want to come by, have a great time this weekend here at our shop, September 5th and 6th, 2025, here in Linwood. Come by, say hello to Phillip and Liz. Get some great plants. Some of the stuff, like you said, it's first release, and there's some really cool things you're not going to find anywhere else. So come by, say hi to Phillip and Liz. We'd love to see you here this weekend.